I'm back. All right. We are all installed. I, in fact, didn't have to remove the crash bars. I just loosened them up. The Touratech kit is nice. However, these longer screws here, you had to put one in back here for this one to pull the plate kind of up into place, and then remove one and put the shorter one in, and then bring these back up here, or at least that's what I had to do. Anyway, so here's Baxter bike. I'll put that together. Camelot EV, Touratech Rottweiler. This is great, very rugged, and it has a pad. You guys saw the Rottweiler air intake plate. Perino Moto. The sticker kit is from Race Star Graphics in South Africa. Richard is the guy I talked to. You can send him a picture. You can work together with him and come up with a design. Like I said, I sent a picture of the painting my daughter did, which is kind of like this, but full size, imagine. Different colored, of course, but we chose to go with, well, no, I guess this is right. However, we went with just the other flowers. I think the same on each side. Yeah, just mirrored it. Yeah, so Hawkeye, looking at you. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should it be Baxter bike or Hawkeye? I don't know, let me know. Again, apologies, my first video. I'm not a pro. Oh yeah, and I put the bigger grips on, or just a cover. They're nice. Takes some getting used to, but yeah. So here it is, and oh gosh. Guess we can. It's kind of hard. You have to excuse me. Yeah, so we can come up to this high or bring it back. And when the bike falls over now, it doesn't hit the ground, so it kind of makes it nice. However, that's what we got. Now I'm going to attempt to put this video together, and yeah, we got the BRP. What else did I do? Rock risers. I rolled them forward, how I like it, standing up. I don't know, I guess 5'9.5", 5'10". I don't know, maybe 5'10" with boots on. Yeah, so peace out. Keep the wheels under you. Bye.